think it comes out so cute. I'm sad that I'm literally gotta take it off. Today's video, we are going to do a quick, simple, everyday makeup routine as a girly in her 30s that's finally getting to explore makeup and try to set aside some time for myself to be able to try to learn a little something something. This has been very fun for the last month and a half of like really going into it. I normally just wear lip gloss, maybe some eyeshadow, but like I'm actually putting on a full light face, not too much. I'm doing mostly skin tints as of right now. And I don't know if anybody else can relate. As a busy mom, I just can't ever find the time. And I just admire the girlies that have, the time and the kids and being able to put that time in to look so beautiful when they walk out the door. So I have devoted some time to myself, even if it's late nights, practicing. Like right now, it's past 12 o'clock P no, it's past 12 a.m., past midnight, and I'm over here learning, recording a video. So I'm gonna be showing you the products that I bought in my recent Sephora haul, just showing you guys what I'm using and the other things that I already had, just to give like a everyday natural makeup routine or makeup look. I want to say my look is just, I want to go for something that's very natural, like you don't have makeup on, and maybe eventually get to the part where we're giving like soft glam. Maybe that goes down further down the road. So if you are a girly that's on your beginner makeup journey, because you said 2023 that you was going to start doing makeup, now 2024 we're going to do it. So let's get into the makeup today. First, I start off with a clean face. I have cleansed it, toned it, exfoliated, treatment serum, and the moisturizer. I'm also learning my skincare routine as well. I feel like this is just a little rant, I feel like I never had like a reason to have like a full blown skincare routine. I really never, like, I've gotten breakouts, as you can see, time to time. Normally it's during stress. I didn't have acne problems when I was growing up, going through puberty, and as an adulthood. I feel like now that I'm so stressed, maybe that's where it's coming from. So I'm actually learning a lot about skincare, and definitely say thank you to Paula's Choice for helping me and guiding me into like products that will be simple for me. And if I want to explore anything else, I can add to it. So yeah, I'm all about simplicity because I am very busy. So this is a simple makeup routine, and of course, as I get better at it after practicing and looking at YouTube videos, I'm going to give you guys a glam. One day, let's go. Go. Right now, I'm loving the natural look. So, enough rambling. I, like I said, start off with a clean face skincare. Then I'm going to go in with the Fenty Beauty Hydrating Primer Pro Filter. So I just put a little bit of this on. I rub it in my hand. And as I've been researching and learning, I am mostly a medium tan skin tone with neutral undertones, just in case you wanted to know. I believe I am normal slash dry skin, just depending on if I'm dehydrated or the weather. So I'm normal, but lean towards dry skin. I go in with the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter in the shade Tan 5.5. So it's a neutral tone tan. And I know that this is actually a primer per se, but I feel like it does a job for me as like a skin tint. So this is what I'm going to put on. Um, So I just put it on. See that I have a shirt on YouTube. So I have it on this side. No. So, I take my e.l.f. blending brush and I just blend. And just to like show you guys if I can get close. Okay. And it gives like a little glow. I go in with the bronzer, the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Contour one, and I have it in the shade medium deep. I've learned from one of the girlies, I believe her name is Florence on TikTok. She said to apply the bronzer to the brush instead of doing it on the face, even though this has like a little brush applicator, I guess. So I'm gonna put it, and then I'm going to blend it. And then I go in with the brush that I was just using, just so it doesn't have any harsh lines. I go on with the Charlotte Tilbury Cheek to Chic Pillow Talk, and this is in the shade Intense, Pillow Talk Intense. So it looks, again, cover the, looks like this. And I just take a little bit of the outer ring, just a dab, and I'm wanting to try each, so I'm waiting on that. It is on the way. I'm feeling like in a spring, summer, that's going to be a cuter color for me. This is more giving like fall and winter, this mauve. But I kind of want to be peachy for the summer. So, but since this is all I got for right now, I just put it a little bit over the, I only just do a little light, not too much. I like that I could put a little bit of this on and then I can kind of build up if I want to. But yeah, I'm thinking peach will look so nice on me during the spring and summer. So yes, it's gonna be an Ulta and Sephora haul coming again because I have got some other stuff. And on this, make sure if you do grab this that you close it and turn it off, or I don't know if it's gonna leak or not. So I could take, since I already just have this out, I could take the outer ring, just put it on my finger, and use it as an eyeshadow, which the Sephora woman that helped me suggested that if because I wanted it to be simple and be able to like not have to use so many products if I don't want to. So let me show you what I got so far. And I'm just gonna see what it looks like up close. I think that's a tip that I would say, try to find things that can be multi-purpose, especially with just learning how to do it. I think it really helps. And I'm using my middle finger, it's so rude. And I can either use the inner color on this blush, and then I could take a, just to blend it in. We got a new vanity. Got all my cute little stuff a little organized. Take the Feeling Toasty ColourPop eyeshadow palette, and I'm just gonna take the lighter one, which is doing some other makeup. I'm gonna take Baked Goods, so, and then just put it in my inner corner, or like that, and then I'm gonna blend it out. Okay, so now I am going to blend it. The last thing for my eyes is the e.l.f. I don't even think they have this anymore. It might be at Walmart now, but the e.l.f. liquid eyeshadow in the color 24 karat gold. And I just put like a, just one dab, and then I just pat it out with my finger. Look, I'm probably in the, and then I feel like I have to tell myself like what else I need to do. Oh, my eyebrows. I use the Charlotte Tilbury Legendary Brow Micro Precision Tinted Brow Gel. And it's time to go get them done again. But I do want to try some brow gel. This is brow gel, but oh, and this shade is in dark brown. And this just fills in the eyebrows, but I already have pretty thick eyebrows, so the Maybelline Sky High Lash Sensational, and I use dark brown because black tends to be too harsh for me, my skin tone. So if you're a girly that's like my skin tone, I would try brown mascara. So that is the eyes. Now we go in with the lip gloss. My normal lip gloss is going to be the Fenty Beauty Hot Chocolate Fantasy, the one with the shimmer. And then I have this lip pencil. I normally use a darker one, but I have this one right now. This is the Mint Cosmetic. This is in Foxy. So this is broke, but this is more like a lighter brown. I kind of like darker browns. Let's go in rub it in. And there you have it. And then I close it off with the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. And just I need to get one of them fans like the girlies. Let me hop on Amazon. And then here you go. This is the look. I think it comes out so cute. I'm sad that I'm literally gotta take it off because it's time to go to bed, but this really came out so cute. Like, just imagine it with the peach, like a light, like not like a bright peach, but like a soft peach for the spring, summer. Like, this would be so cute. So, yes, thank you for sticking around. So, yeah, that is my simple makeup routine, everyday makeup routine. If I'm wearing makeup, this is what I will probably look like. And I'm exploring some new products. So let me know in the comments, what are some good products to try? Like I said, I am basically medium tan. I have neutral undertones, or some products that I should try just because you love them. I need to get them. Okay. What you think of this look? How do you think I did? Like I said, newbie at this, but it's getting easier. I'm trying to get this makeup looking good by the summertime. We getting there, okay? I want me a glowy skin so I can be outside. Oh, let me give you an up close. I don't know if it will let me. Yeah, this is up close. So thank you again, and see you next time. Bye.